Hey guys,
this is Brendan
and Tristan,
and today we're back with another video.
and in this video,
We are unboxing
a Nerf gun. Brendan's new Nerf gun.
and I also bought some of these bullets.
He bought extra bullets just in case he loses his.
Yeah, because I'm not using.
Yes.
And
Louder.
sorry for it being loud. It's just that there's a lot of people here and we're in the mall. So we're gonna be unboxing the rival Nerf gun. So let's just get started.
Let's start this. Okay, so we got it open. Yeah, let's get that out of the way. We got it open, and Brendan's gonna take out the box. Okay guys, so this is the gun. It's a Nerf rival, as you saw, and the bullets look like that. They're squishy, but they're like paintballs. So let's get this out of the box. Okay guys, so we got all the pieces out. This is the ammo box. So you put the bullets in here. These are the bullets. Here, let's get them out. Okay, they're out of the box. So this is what they feel like. So grab one and feel it. Oh my god. As you can see, they're very squishy. They are very, very squishy, but that's what holds a lot of impact. So let's load this gun for Brendan. Okay, so it's in, and then Brendan will hold the camera so I can show you guys how to put it in. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so this is the gun. It needs bullets in it first. I know, but it's supposed to go all the way back. I think it needs bullets in it first. I know, but it needs to go all the way back before. So you go like that, and as you can see, you can't go. You have to go like either like that, and then.
No dispares, no vas a disparar.
Okay, so it's stuck because Brendan loaded it by accident. There we go. Just keep it like that. So right now it's loaded in. We're not gonna like shoot it or anything. Let's put it that way. Okay.
That's how it looks like.
Time to unbox.
Time to unbox
That.
this.
That. Okay, ready? Let's unbox it. Okay, so it's out, and that's what it looks like.
This is pretty big.
That's humongous. Like, Jesus Christ, it's huge. So that is for like putting it on the gun. Okay, so let's load the gun. Let's load the bullets into the stock. Okay, so we loaded it. It's pretty big. It's about 18.
And apparently we have 5 extra.
Yeah, 5 extra, and then we're gonna show you how to put it onto here. This big one. Okay, so let's do this. Hold the camera. So basically, you just go here. Slide it on. Go right here. Okay, sorry. It's just I haven't done one of these in a while, so
We'll be back when he actually has it.
so this goes right here, like that, snug.
We'll just clip it on.
Yes.
Because as you can see, it just goes like this.
So and then
Then
you
it
go.
clips it on.
Okay, wait. Let me do it like this. Okay, then you move it to the side and you go. Oh wait, I'm so dumb. So you see these parts right here? You go right there and you go click. Go into this.
We'll see you guys when Tristan actually has it.
So yeah, like that. And you can kind of use it like a scope if you wanted to.
We couldn't put the big one in there.
Or you can even put the big one
¿Y esta dónde va?
and one in.
¿Dónde va esa?
Two. So as you can see, it's in. And yeah, you just want to make sure you have enough room for like to load the gun. So
I would recommend just putting the little one on there
yeah.
and having the big one in it first, and then getting the big one out and then putting the little one in.
No, so what he means is like having the little one in here, like so, like that. So you can have it in there, and then it won't be like that. And then once you're done using this one, pop it out, you just throw it away, grab it, and then just load it in. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.